Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. What is the MOQ of our DTF film? Generally speaking, our DTF film is no MOQ for regular size. The regular size includes 0.13 plus 100 meter, 0.16 plus 100 meter, A3, A4. Some customers ask for abnormal sizes like 0.15 plus 100 meter or 0.17 plus 100 meter. For these abnormal sizes, our MOQ is 15 rows. When we produce abnormal sizes, more waste will be on the machine. That's why we have MOQ, 15 rows of abnormal sizes. If the customer can afford the price increase caused by waste on the machine, there can also be no MOQ. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.